I am CJ Estrada. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be reviewing my GoPro Fusion that I've been using for 3 months now for videos and photos. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love. Here are 7 reasons why GoPro Fusion rocks and sucks. So before we start, let us check out the GoPro Fusion. So here it is. It has 2 cameras, back and front, and it's in a square form, like any other GoPros. So this one, it's where you can charge, and this one is where you can switch, turn on, turn off, and switch modes. And this is the battery. It's where you can put the battery. Its battery, by the way, is bigger than the regular GoPro, and it comes with 2 SD cards. So it has 3 basic modes: video, photo, and time-lapse. So time-lapse, you can switch modes from night time-lapse, or you can switch into video lapse or photo lapse. And settings, and that's it. Looks really good, right? Let's go straight ahead. It's a 360 camera, so it captures 360 videos and photos. So it's a level up of your adventures and your videos. And it basically captures everything that surrounds the GoPro, which is really a good thing. So this is a 360 camera, so it has 2 lenses, back and front, and it gets stitched at post-production. And basically you can capture everything. Why it sucks? Sometimes it really gets distorted. So it's a super wide lenses. I think it's because of its 360 capabilities. Channel. Second reason why it rocks: the videos and photos are of best quality. It has 5.2K resolution, higher than 4K. Yes, but it has a 30 FPS only, but it gets 4K resolution with a 60 FPS, so that your slow motion gets so smooth AF. But it sucks because you cannot see your videos or your photos right straight from your GoPro, because it doesn't have a touchscreen unlike any other GoPros like GoPro Hero 5, 6, or 4, even 4. Yes, this one looks like a session because you cannot see it right straight from the GoPro. Well, you can connect with a phone, but it comes with the compatibility issues. It cannot even connect to my Huawei Nova 2i. I know it can connect iPhone 6s, and you can probably check out GoPro's website for Fusion's compatibility. Yes. Third reason why GoPro Fusion rocks is it comes with a tripod. Yes, it's a tripod that can be converted into a monopod, so you don't have to buy a GoPro, which is really expensive. And it comes with a case, special case for GoPro Fusion only, so it gets protected. Yes. Why it sucks? It's really expensive. GoPro Fusion is really expensive. It goes around 42,990 in Philippines, but this isn't an ordinary action camera. As you can see, it's a 360 camera with its high quality. Third reason why it rocks: it has its own post-processing studio, so you can export the videos from the GoPro to your PC that you can manipulate later on using third-party applications such as Adobe Premiere Pro CC. And it comes with plugins that you can basically manipulate the 360 video, so you can pan, you can switch modes from Tiny Planet, or you can choose whatever angle you want in your videos. So why it sucks: the GoPro Fusion Studio has compatibility issues. Your laptop must have at least an i5 processor, and at least 8 gig RAM and Windows 10 OS. It doesn't work with lower versions of that, unfortunately. Yes. Fourth reason why GoPro Fusion rocks is that the videos are super smooth, as in it's super smooth. Yeah, it's stabilized. Even though you're running, it's really smooth, and it comes, I think, with a GoPro Fusion Studio, so you can switch modes from unstabilized and stabilized. But of course, you can pick up the stabilized because it's great for videos. Why it sucks? Video files could be very, very heavy. From a 20-second GoPro video, it's around a gig or plus. Yes, it's really massive. Fifth reason why it rocks. The audio quality is really, really good. I'm using GoPro Fusion right now without a microphone, but it sucks because it picks up everything that surrounds it. So you can probably hear other things here around me. But it's still good. I know, right? And last reason why GoPro Fusion rocks is that it's best for adventurers and those who want to step up their travel videos. Because of this, you can manipulate whatever you want, your videos, whatever angle or whatever effect that you would want for your travel videos. But unfortunately, it sucks because it's not for, travelers that just want to have a point and shoot camera. Because the post-production of GoPro videos could be a hassle and could be painful. Like that, and you have to invest for your gears, for your laptop, or for your phone because it has compatibility issues. But above all, it's really, really great. The videos are amazing and are of high quality, and what's most important thing is it's stabilized. You don't have a problem with that. I hope you learn a lot and hope you would buy GoPro Fusion because it's really a step up of your travel videos. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. That's Sharpish, that's Sharpish and love.